Miras laking Maigit 2.8 milyon na turista ring memasyal king Central Luzon anyang 2023 base kin datos sa ni Department of Tourism Region 3. At king pamaglud na ning banwang 2024, posible pa kanong mitas yung 5% ing numerong ini o miras laking Maigit 3 milyon ding turista lumibot kay katamong rehiyon.
Maraming mga bagay, although I often say it's really very challenging to promote a region which is landlocked. Landlocked in the sense of majority of it, no, unlike Boracay, I don't think it does need to be promoted already, no. Whether you like it or not, there will be really tourists who will have to travel, or even Baguio.
Agpakang DOT Central Luzon Director Dr. Richard Dinos, maragulya epekto ing revenge travel king pamanyatang daring turista keti.
Be more and more tourists who will have to partake, no, this revenge, because as we often say, no, yung what happened during the pandemic is really something that forces us to go out. We are a people of community. We love to go out. We love to express ourselves. So I think it will delight us more for 2024 in the context of more travelers and tourists coming, both local and international.
Balawas naman kaning coordination na ng DOT Region 3 kaning lokal na kapanibalan, baan pasik na pang kanilang tourism strategies at ipakilala yung mayayaliwang heritage sites, culture ng pamangan. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.